Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you a quick trick that I use to protect and seal the alloy wheels of my car tires, my winter tires, my Pirelli tires before I put them into storage. I always treat, as you've seen in my previous video, the rubber of the tires to protect them against cracking and ozone, but what I also do is the inside of my tires, the alloy wheels, the Felgen, after I clean them, I spray them with a paint sealant. Like, for example, this German Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. But you can also use turtle wax or any other product of your choice. And then you just rub it in, so like this. Sehr schön. And basically what that does is it leaves a super strong sealant that repels dirt, water, brake dust, all sorts of crap, and that keep your wheels, throughout storing them in your shed, on your balcony, your garage, but most important, when you put them back on again, as for example these tires, and you're going to wake them up in the winter next year, then they'll be perfectly protected against the elements. For example, you change your tires and then you put them back on, and then they're immediately protected against road salt, all sorts of dirt on the road, and you can immediately start off with perfectly sealed alloy wheels. Now this is very easy to do. As you can see, one wheel takes approximately, if you want to do it very detailed, I think maybe 2, 3, maybe 5 minutes, depending on how fast you are. And as you see, I did already the other wheels. They look absolutely fantastic. And that's how you get super clean, protected alloy wheels for the next season while you put your tires in storage. Let me know how you protect your wheels, what products you use. I like Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer aus Deutschland. But I'm sure there's also other products that are equally as durable. Let me know your favorite, write me in the comments, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Wishing you a fantastic summer season with super shiny wheels. Auf Wiedersehen.